Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess very well. We will begin by reviewing the fundamental rules and piece movements, which are essential for any aspiring player. Understanding the relative value of each piece, from the humble 1-point pawn to the powerful 9-point queen, is crucial for strategic decision-making. We will also cover the importance of early piece development and king safety through castling, typically within the first 10 to 15 moves of a game. Moving into the opening, your primary goal is to control the central 4 squares of the board. This involves advancing pawns and bringing out your knights and bishops efficiently. Remember to develop your minor pieces before your queen to avoid early attacks. Castling your king to safety, either kingside or queenside, is a critical step, usually completed within the first 8 to 12 moves. Also, try to avoid moving the same piece more than once in the opening phase. The middle game is where strategic plans unfold and tactical opportunities arise. Focus on identifying and exploiting any weaknesses in your opponent's pawn structure, such as isolated or doubled pawns. Work to create open lines for your rooks and queen, allowing them to exert maximum pressure. Always be on the lookout for tactical motifs like forks, pins, and skewers. Practicing calculation, aiming to see at least 2 or 3 moves ahead, will significantly improve your play. Finally, mastering the endgame is vital for converting advantages into wins. Familiarize yourself with fundamental checkmating patterns involving just a few pieces, like king and rook versus king. Understanding pawn promotion, where a pawn reaches the 8th rank and becomes a queen or other piece, is often decisive. Dedicate time to practicing basic king and pawn endgames. Most importantly, consistently analyze your own games to identify areas for improvement and reinforce good habits.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.